Christmas, everyone. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. I'm Ross. This is Jamie from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon. What are we making today, Jamie?
Today, we're making spiced bourbon eggnog.
Okay, so bourbon, not rum, because rum is more traditional for eggnog, right?
We're going spiced bourbon.
Okay.
So grab a cup, a little bit of ice.
It's easy.
Gonna do about an ounce bourbon.
Okay. For those of you who really are ambitious, you can make your own eggnog. Egg yolks, cream, milk, sugar,
Google.
cook it all up, and but this is easy and tastes fabulous. All right.
Definitely need to stir these up because
Okay.
that bourbon is gonna.
Okay, we've got, what is this here? A nutmeg?
Nutmeg.
Okay, so that goes on top or?
Yeah, so we're gonna stir it up.
Okay. All right.
Do a little eggnog, a
Beautiful.
little nutmeg.
Also, just obviously it's our Christmas edition, but also our 150th
150.
episode. So right now, probably you're going to have fireworks or confetti or something flying on the screen because our editor will probably put that in there. But this bourbon eggnog, let's give it a shot.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
And Merry Christmas. Very festive.
I do like bourbon.
That is good. I actually like that. I would drink that instead of rum, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Because I actually don't drink a lot of bourbon, but
That's good.
with that eggnog in there, I like that. That's really good. And it's got enough of the spice with the nutmeg, and that ties in well with the bourbon. That's good.
That'll give you a Merry Christmas.
Have rosy cheeks after one of those. Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, everybody.
Merry Christmas.